Friends, if you are preparing for UPSC Civil Services exam, then one of the most common things that you will hear is that refer to NCERT books, isn't it? But have you ever wondered why are NCERT books better for the preparation of UPSC Civil Services exam? Or in other words, why are they considered to be the best for the preparation of this exam? So in this video, me Prachi Prabha Gautam from Unique Shiksha will try to answer all these questions for you. If we talk about the UPSC Civil Services exam, then there are a lot of books in the market and study material is also available for the preparation of this exam. However, students often find it difficult to find right study material for the preparation of this exam. Sometimes they also end up in selecting wrong material. But now the question is, what can be done? You can't go through all the study materials available. Then easiest way is that you can take up NCERT books. But why? Because these are the most authentic books as they are usually created by subject matter experts and they publish the content only after doing a comprehensive research so that the information is relevant and accurate. Apart from this, the NCERT books are also written in lucid and simple language, which is easy to understand for every student. These books are also direct in their approach and no complicated language is used to confuse students, and therefore it makes it easier for students to understand the technical aspects of topics easily. This entrance exam also demands your strong fundamental knowledge. But how to clear concepts? So for this purpose, you can totally rely on the NCERT books because they are designed in such a way that they cover each and every topic of a particular subject, which is important in terms of knowledge and information. Not only this, they also cover the topics in a structured manner, which means that the books start with basics and then they go to the advanced level. Hence, we can say that these NCERT books are developed to help every student without regard to their intelligence quotient. All the NCERT books also contain an exercise page right after the end of its chapters. By practicing these questions, students can strengthen their learning. And most importantly, by doing these exercises, candidates can also know that which topics they have mastered and which weak areas they need to focus more upon. The NCERT books also help in your revision. But how? So at the end of every chapter of NCERT books, you can find concluding notes. You must have also seen, which definitely facilitate your revision process. Students can also easily access all these NCERT textbooks because they are available online very easily. So these books are economical and cost effective also. Most importantly, NCERT books as such cover a considerable amount of syllabus of the civil services examination. These books provide crisp and brief account of a lot of topics which are asked in civil services examination. In today's era, when markets are flooded with vast information, contents and materials, NCERT books filter all the excesses. Therefore, they are time and content efficient also. Now the questions are how to study NCERT books and are these books enough for your preparation? So to get the answer of these questions, you will have to watch our coming videos. You can also watch our 2 minutes concept series to expedite your revision process. And to have question based learning, you can also watch core learning series and IS main GS learning series. And to make your preparation smarter and easier, you can also join our live foundation courses where we provide live classes with top teachers, live in class support, anytime learning, study material, 100 plus tests, detailed study plan and 750 plus hours courses. You can also explore more with our 7 days free trial classes. So if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And in case you have any query, you can write us on info@uniqueshiksha.in. And you can also call us on this number. Thank you so much.